We'll tap to activate.
Hi guys, Tyler here. Today, I want to show you my meal. Look at that. I don't remember even making this, but it's got like delicious, like noodles and it's got like noodles and rice. And hamburger. I don't know what this is, but it's fantastic. So yes, this is one of those moments when you forget that you when you dig through the fridge and you find something. You find like a little present. And that's what this is. A little present. There we go. Little present. Not bad. Delicious. Well, that's pretty much this video today. Alright, guys. Thank you all and have a pleasant day. Well, enjoy this.
Stop video.